Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. In case you are new to my channel, I'm the leader and founder of Chartbulls Trading. We are a group of day traders and investors who have come together in one community to help each other with best practices on how to make money. If that's something that interests you, there's a free chat room, which is the first link in the description. There's about 2,500 of us, and would love to have you there. So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about why it pays to sell. It's kind of an oxymoron, but it's very true, right? So today we're looking at Bitcoin. We can actually go ahead and pull it up, and I know many of us are looking at the BitMEX chart, so look at that. So it pays to sell. Why is that? So when something is going down in price, a lot of people with an investor mindset are like, we're going to hold on to it, hodl in crypto worlds, right? So hold on for dear life. We're going to hold on to this. We're not going to sell it. We're not going to touch it. It's going to go back up in the future, and we'll make our money then. I would like to rebuttal that by saying, why not sell it and then buy back in at a lower price so that you can then get more of the asset that you're trading or more profit in the long run, right? This idea is pretty trivial. The sell and buy back lower is like a big phrase in our group. And it really just comes down from like this great example right here, right? So when we got the signal to go long, which means to buy with the anticipation of the price going up, if we bought here, we made 20%, right? So great return pretty instantly, 6 days, 1 week, and 20%, that's great, right? And then we sold short for a little bit, nothing crazy. We went long again, right? So another 12% in 4 days. Now here, when we get this short sign, which means to sell, if you're on a platform that that allows margin trading or leverage trading, you can actually sell the item in order to buy it back lower, and you can sell with more quantity, right? So when you short sell something, you're expecting the price to keep going down. You can do this on any exchange that you're on, whether it be Binance and you're trading to Tether. All you would do is just trade your Bitcoin into Tether and then use the Tether to buy Bitcoin back lower, right? And you have more Bitcoin in the end of the day because you sold at when Bitcoin was at $1,000 and you bought back when it was $500, so you just doubled your amount of Bitcoin, right? You can do it on Coinbase, Binance, OneFox, BitMEX. All of these exchanges allow you to sell Bitcoin to $1 and then buy it back in at a better price. What it allows you to do is really be able to, you're profiting both ways, right? So if our end game is to get more Bitcoin because we think that the price is going to keep going up, then we would always want to be short selling in order to get more Bitcoin. Even if you don't think that Bitcoin is the end game and it's going to keep going up, why not profit both ways, right? Why not get these huge long runs and then also profit on these huge long sell-offs, right? So basically my point in saying all of this and kind of ranting in this video is, why have a mentality that you have to hold on to an asset when you can just sell it, buy it back in at a very much more affordable price? You'll get more bang for your buck and you'll get more gains in the long run, right? And then if you're on like a leverage site, you're actually making more money on the way down as well as the way up. So it's basically a win-win. I'm saying this a little towards the end of our downtrend, potentially. Of course, if we get over this hump, we're going to fly down to 67, 6,800. All our indicators are pointing a little more bullish. We have our MACD kind of slanting upwards, right? We're super oversold. Market sentiment's overly bearish. Typically, this means that we're going to kind of get a little bump in price, but Bitcoin does whatever Bitcoin wants to do, so there's no telling. But again, I just want to reiterate the fact that if you're watching this, you can be making money both ways. Everybody in my group gets out of a position that they shouldn't be in. It's kind of like an emotional mindset, right? That you see that you're losing money, you want to hold on to it so that you don't lose as much money and you'll just ride it out. But why not just maybe even take a 3% loss in order to buy back 10% lower, and then you get 7% more Bitcoin, right? So you actually gained in the long run. So it's just something for you, the viewer, to kind of chew on, think about, start practicing, because it is a much more profitable way to trade. Just to be even just a little more active on your investments. I mean, this is a 4-hour chart, right? So what I was looking at was like a weekly gain. Each of these has been about a week, right? So it's not like you're having to be in there every single day if you're not a day trader. You can still do these just check-ins every now and then and really save yourself a lot more money and profit a lot more in the long run. Because again, instead of just making 20%, why not make 20, and then that was 32, but then we sold short. Back to our next indicator, another 2%, and then we went long, flat. So it's like, why not make more money, right? And then so we're at 34 plus 8, so 40%. You can double your money just by playing both ways. Long story short, it's a great way to do it. If this video is eye-opening to you that you can sell something and buy back lower, or it's even just a good reminder, please like this video. I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel. Click the little bell button because I do go on my live streams every now and then. And join me in the Discord. And if you are brand new to trading or even an intermediate trader and you are trying to get tips on what you should be doing next, one, follow my July trading, see how I did, and then once you've seen the profits that we made, if that's something that interests you, click the second link in the description, and you can take the trading course to trade like me and a bunch of the other guys in the Discord. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and stay profitable. Peace.